One of the ways to express yung pagmamahal natin sa parents natin, sa asawa natin, sa anak natin, sa mga kapatid natin. So pag meron kang ganon, you are serving that special spot sa yung client. Nasiserve mo yung gusto niyang mag-express ng love. Nasiserve mo yung gusto niyang ipakita sa loved ones niya, I care for you. So I have this. Dadalan kita nito. Okay, Gilibers, this 2025, paano nga ba natin expand ang ating business services? Yes, yan ang dapat natin pag-isipan as a business owner. Alam ko, medyo busy tayo ngayon, no? Christmas parties, different occasions, different invitations, mga activities natin sa business natin, and sa iba't pang business owners na kailangan natin puntahan, no? So, habang busy ang lahat, dapat ikaw nakafocus ka this 2025. Paano ba yung business expansion natin? Okay? So, specific tayo expanding your business is not only by adding different locations, different branches, or magpa-franchise ka, or ipalaki mo yung iyong physical store. Hindi lang po naka-pertain dyan ang business expansion. You can also expand your business by doing expansion of your services. So, paano ba? Ganito po. Kung nasa food industry ka, you can do it very easily by just touching the emotions of your clients. So, paano natin gagawin? Ganito po. Meron ka dapat na isang section for pasalubong. Pasalubong section. Nandun lang yon, isang corner or kitang-kita mismo na mo-order dyan sa resto mo or coffee shop mo. Okay? Why touching the emotion? Alam nyo tayo mga Pilipino, no? Mahilig kasi tayo magpasalubong eh. And it's one of the ways to express yung pagmamahal natin sa parents natin, sa asawa natin, sa anak natin, sa mga kapatid natin. So pag meron kang ganon, you are serving that special spot sa yung client. Nasiserve mo yung gusto niyang mag-express ng love. Nasiserve mo yung gusto niyang ipakita sa loved ones niya, I care for you. So I have this. Dadalan kita nito. Pasasalubungan kita nito. So by doing that, you're expanding your services. So yung kliyente mo, hindi na siya hanap sa labas, mag-spend pa ng time para humanap ng pasalubong. Diyan mismo sa store mo, kaya mong iserve yun. That's an expansion of your business services, helping your clients. In that way, masaya na yung kliyente mo, and at the same time, you earn additional income. Imagine meron kang 100 na kumain sa resto mo. Rule of 10% na lang. 10% ang nagpasalubong. So, 10% ng 100 is 10. Tama? So, sa 10 na yan, for every pasalubong item, kumikita ka ng 100 pesos. So, 100 times 1,000. Additional income of 100,000 by just expanding your services. Alright? Another way is to have this special treat only for special occasions. Kumbaga parang limited edition. Yung mga kabili lang nito, yung mga nagse-celebrate ng special occasions. For example, birthday, anniversary, basta special occasion, basta ma-justify ng client mo. They can only avail of this food, of this package with a special discount. Like, lakayan natin discount natin, like 40%. Basta hindi ka malugi, 40, 30%. Okay? In that way, you are serving another services. That is the emotion of your clients. Napapasaya niya yung sarili niya, napapasaya niya ang kadate niya. It's a special treat. So parang date na nila yon mismo dyan inside your store. Aside from having additional income. Okay? Gilibers, simple lang yan. This 2025, expand your business services. Let's go, let's go. Kape po tayo. Kape po.